Advantech's comprehensive hardware platform as a core foundation for edge computing across applications. Advantech offers the industry's most comprehensive and flexible edge computing hardware platform. These hardware platforms are modular, highly scalable, and can be seamlessly integrated in industrial communication devices, diverse sensors, I/O modules, and wireless technologies. They not only ensure accurate data acquisition at the edge, but also enable real-time processing and localized decision-making, ensuring fast, stable, and responsive system performance. Whether deployed in critical infrastructure or field-level systems, they serve as a reliable foundation for enterprises advancing towards digital transformation and intelligent operations. Modular platform integrated with intelligent agents for rapid AI deployment and industrial autonomy. Wise Edge is Advantech's cloud edge collaborative platform built upon software-defined edge architecture. It integrates EdgeSync's containerized design and intuitive APIs with Wise IoT's ready-to-use applications, simplifying device management, AI model deployment, data synchronization, and application deployment for enhanced flexibility and scalability. To further accelerate real-world AI implementation, Advantech also offers a suite of pre-built AI agents which can be deployed directly at the edge for real-time operation without relying on cloud decision-making, helping enterprises quickly realize AI deployment and enabling industrial operations to reach a higher level of automation and autonomy. Integrated hardware and software platform enabling digital transformation across diverse industries. Advantech's diverse platforms are widely deployed at the edge of production equipment, critical monitoring points in energy facilities, and intelligent infrastructure within smart cities, such as transportation and environmental management systems. The company focuses on 5 key vertical markets: smart factory, energy utilities, intelligence system AMR, intelligent healthcare, and smart city services with intelligent retail. By integrating AI, digital twin technologies, and automation, Advantech empowers customers to achieve intelligent operations, advancing its corporate vision of enabling an intelligent planet. Come and explore how Advantech's comprehensive solution can help to empower sustainable operations and smarter solutions.